Supplement Smart, a guide to avoiding vitamin overload. In the contemporary food landscape, everything from bottled water to orange juice boasts fortified levels of vitamins and minerals. While the idea of bolstering nutritional intake may seem beneficial, an excess of these essential elements can have adverse effects on health. While fortified foods may seem like a convenient way to meet nutritional requirements, they come with potential pitfalls. Excessive levels of vitamin C, zinc, or selenium found in various fortified products can lead to unpleasant side effects such as nausea, diarrhea, stomach cramps, hair loss, and even mild nerve damage. The perils of routine supplementation. A common misconception is that more vitamins and minerals equate to better health. However, exceeding recommended daily intake, especially through supplements, can pose risks. Experts emphasize the importance of adhering to recommended doses and consulting with healthcare professionals to ensure safe supplementation. Identifying signs of nutrient overload isn't always straightforward. Subtle symptoms such as difficulty sleeping, concentration issues, nerve problems, or heightened irritability may indicate a mild excess. However, the broader concern lies in the widespread fortification of foods, making it challenging for consumers to gauge their daily nutrient intake accurately. The three culprits: vitamin D, calcium, and folic acid. Certain nutrients, such as vitamin D, calcium, and folic acid, are particularly prone to overconsumption. Exceeding the daily safe limit for vitamin D can lead to serious heart problems, while excessive folic acid intake, prevalent in enriched grain products, may mask signs of vitamin B12 deficiency, potentially causing permanent nerve damage if left unaddressed. Experts advocate for a food-first approach, emphasizing that it is challenging to overdose on essential nutrients through a balanced diet alone, while acknowledging the benefits of fortification in addressing specific deficiencies. They caution against over-reliance on supplements and highlight the importance of obtaining nutrients primarily from natural food sources. As consumers navigate the nutrient maze, it is crucial to be aware of the potential dangers of excessive vitamin and mineral intake. By adopting a cautious approach to supplementation, seeking professional advice, and prioritizing a diverse and balanced diet, individuals can safeguard their health and well-being against the unintended consequences of nutrient overload.